My name is Stephen Rameli, and I'm a partner at Miles Stockbridge. Besides working for small businesses directly, perhaps the most rewarding part of my career to date has been working so collaboratively with the federal government. I mean, I'm a government contracts lawyer. A large portion of my job is actually filing bid protests, which is another way of saying I sue the federal government for a living, right? But, I don't view my role as antagonistic. My job as a federal government, contracts attorney is to help the federal government enforce their own regulations. I mean, the government is nothing but people. Folks make mistakes, and it's our job to sort of be a watchdog. I actually started as an international law scholar, and I was editor-in-chief of the International Law Review at American University. And I got out of school and realized that I had a really strong public interest to my practice, but I was really interested in the business world. And I thought the way that businesses drive value for public good is one of the most interesting concepts I'd come across during law school. My practice is focused on the socioeconomic eligibility rules, right? So that starts with, how do I become a small business? How do I get qualified as a small business? And that means, I represent folks that are commercial companies entering the space. I represent emerging businesses like startups, folks that just got out of the army and want to start a company. And I enjoy both of those areas of practice. The guy who gets out of the service and really doesn't know what to do for a career perspective and comes to me and asks, hey, I've heard about the SDVOSB program, how do I make that work? Did not do this for awards. I did this because I am a government contracts nerd that thinks I can maybe help the way that the ecosystem works. To be recognized for my efforts helping my colleagues, advocate for things that are successful and we think can be successful, it just really encourages me to want to do it even more.